I often get asked questions like, why would someone target me? Or what's the point of a hacker taking over my PC or my account? Well, these are good questions, but the thing you have to realize is that it's no longer a human being that is actually attacking you. A human being has written, or even now bought, automated programs that are then let loose to hunt down vulnerable software without human beings needing to waste their time at all. They effectively cast huge nets out over the internet in order to find what is vulnerable, which means you and I are probably just as likely targets as anyone else. You will probably already have been a target if you didn't already know. For example, your internet router will more than likely be scanned every day to look for vulnerabilities. I'm sure you've probably received spam emails and in there phishing attacks, potentially where they're trying to get you to download a virus or go to a site where there's a virus or malware. And you've definitely been to websites that will have been attacked or attempted to be attacked or have been compromised. So we're all potentially victims, or we're all potentially targets. Additional to this, you have someone or some organization that could be specifically targeting you, and this is more serious. In the military, this is referred to as the Advanced Persistent Threat, or APT. This could be anything from, for example, an ex-partner trying to get access to your Facebook, to maybe you live in a country where there's some sort of totalitarian government and they're trying to look at everything that you do. Your situation will be unique to you. Most people only need to concern themselves with not getting caught in the large net cast by the many criminal hacking groups. What you can see in front of you now is a threat intelligence monitor by Norse. What they've done is they've deliberately set up vulnerable servers, which are known as honeypots, to monitor the behavior of hackers and cybercriminals so they can understand the behavior and the new things that they're doing and the trends. And this is just a tiny number of servers. Imagine if this represented all of the attacks on the internet. But why do they bother with all this effort? It must be worth it to them. Generally, the motive for wanting to access your accounts, steal your identity, take control of your PC is money. There are the odd edge cases where it relates to political or moralistic motives, but mostly it's all about the almighty dollar. But you might be thinking, how do they turn my PC or account into money? Well, I'll show you. According to a McAfee report, $445 billion annually is lost to cybercrime a year. That equates to about 266 billion in UK pounds. So crime does pay, and especially for people living in poorer countries. What you can see here in front of you is all of the various ways in which your PC could be useful to a cyber criminal. Web hosting, for example. They can use your PC as a web server, host illegal content, perform illegal and hacking activities, perform email attacks. Virtual goods. They can sell virtual goods for currency. Reputation hijacking. Accounts can be sold. Again, bot activities. Take down websites, blackmail sites. Account credentials. Again, these can be sold. Financial credentials. Of course, these can be used to gain money. Hostage attacks. Identity theft. Much of the trading in order to receive currency is done in a cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is the most popular one at the moment, or money can be received in semi-anonymous transfers and cash outs. And here are some of the examples of if they get access to your email and its value to them. So privacy related, so stealing personal information and files. Retail, lots around here. They can sell your accounts. People are interested in buying your accounts. They are then later used for further compromises, further access to other useful things such as financial, just straight up transferring money out of accounts, buying virtual goods, spam, harvesting, employment, etc., etc., etc. Your email account is particularly juicy as a target because you can often get access to many or all of your other accounts through it. And that explains why we have a very active cybercriminal underground on the internet. It goes without saying that we need defenses to protect ourselves against them. if, that is, we have anything of value to protect while we're online. But this course will guide you through understanding and reducing your online risk to acceptable levels through easy to apply steps. So let's get on with it.